Best cost-performance ratio. I have stayed here many times, but this time I had issues watching YouTube on the TV, and the staff replaced the TV for me. The shower also had a moment when hot water didn't come out, but it was quickly restored. There is no breakfast service. Cleaning is sometimes available for an additional fee and occasionally offered as a service. The hygiene is good, though there are very rare instances of bugs. In the middle of the bustling downtown, having such a large room at this price is wonderful. Overall, it's the best. The location is good, the room is clean, most of the cooking utensils are provided, and there is a washing machine. The space in the room is large. This is the best among all the hotels and apartments I've stayed in so far, and from now on, this is definitely the place. Very good. The security, location, and view are great, but unlike a hotel, there is no front desk and you have to contact the host. There is no in-room cleaning or towel exchange during extended stays, which is a drawback. However, for those who want to cook for themselves, the equipment available is excellent. Suitable place for short or long-term staying. To stay as a short-term traveler, it is quiet, good place. Room condition was good. Everything is neat and tidy. Fridge, laundry machine and other gadget were perfectly working. One thing I was disappointed with is that they asked me addition 300 peso for cleaning. I was not noticed about that and I couldn't find that term anywhere. I gave 3,000 peso for deposit but I got 2,700 peso back. Please inform deposit in advance. People might be confused because of that.